friends, as per item 8 of Schedule 13 relating to infrastructure of the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014, the Indian Railways was required to examine establishing a new railway zone in the successor state of Andhra Pradesh. The matter has been examined in detail in consultation with stakeholders, and it has been decided to go ahead with the creation of a new zone with headquarters at Visakhapatnam. The new zone shall be named South Coast Railway and the short form SCOR. It will comprise of the existing Guntakal, Guntur and Vijayawada divisions. The present Volta division will now be divided into two parts. One part will be incorporated in the new zone SCOR and will be merged with the neighboring Vijayawada division. The remaining portion of the present Volta division shall be converted into a new division with headquarters at Rayagada under East Coast Railway. In Orissa, there is a place called Rayagada. The South Central Railway will comprise of Hyderabad, Secunderabad and Nanded divisions as at present. Thank you. We shall now be proceeding with the rest of the formalities. The Railway Board and at my level we have today taken this decision, and we shall now do the rest of the procedure and formalities to move forward in this direction. We have not yet received any instructions from the authorities about any change to the current running of the Samjhauta Express, and we shall follow whatever directions are received in this regard. अभी तक समझौता एक्सप्रेस के बारे में हमें कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस, कोई निर्देश नहीं मिले हैं. अगर कोई निर्देश मिलेंगे इस विषय में तो उसका पालन तुरंत रेलवे करेगी.
For more details, please like, share and subscribe Spot News.